Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Two Phones, aka Take You Out Guy, here with another unboxing. Today, we're doing an unboxing of the LG SuperMulti Blade DVD drive. It's for my Windows HP laptop. They didn't come with a drive for some reason, but I decided to get one super late. So here we have it. There's nothing too much around the box, but the LG is basically showing you what it's compatible with. Microsoft Surface too. So, yeah, AC adapter free. You can actually even use this on your smart TV. So, I'm going to do some test runs and let you all know exactly what I think. And this is my cutter. All right, we'll go ahead and cut it. Okay. All right, let's get this going. Okay, here we go. All right. Let's see what this comes with. And you can get this from Walmart or Best Buy for $39.99. For those of you that don't have a built-in DVD writer, all right? So get your book and your CD-ROM. I don't know why you got the CD-ROM. This is the USB cable. Put that to the side, and this is the portable drive. Okay, take a look around real quick. All right, here you go. All right, so that's the old school plug-in port. Definitely got old school plug-in port. All right, so not gonna show you, but this is what the bottom looks like. This is actually the top of it. All right, and a little button eject the DVD or CD. Okay, and yeah, guys, that is about it. That's about what comes with the product in a box. You get your, like I said, you get your USB cable, then plug it into the back, then you get your CD and your quick starter guide. And yeah, I'm going to give this a run. I'm going to test it out with my laptop. I'm going to test it out with the Roku TV. See if I can put some DVDs in and make this an actual portable DVD player. Other than that, that's about it, guys. This is the unboxing of the LG SuperMulti Blade Ultra Slim Portable DVD Writer. All right. Let me your thoughts in the comment section below.